Overnight, drones struck deep inside Russia, hitting a major oil refinery in Saratov and sparking a massive fire. This attack, which comes amid escalating cross-border strikes, marks another bold move in Ukraine's campaign to target Russian infrastructure. According to local reports, drones approached the Saratov oil refinery in the early hours of August 10th. Residents described hearing air defenses activate before a loud explosion lit up the sky. The blast triggered a large-scale fire with flames engulfing parts of the facility. Saratov's governor confirmed damage to an industrial site, and at least one person has been killed and several others injured. Footage posted on Russian Telegram channels appears to show multiple drones flying over the city and defensive systems engaging. While these videos haven't been independently verified, they match the accounts of residents who reported seeing and hearing the attack unfold. This wasn't an isolated incident. Reports also mention explosions and air defense activity in Lipetsk and Voronezh the same night. Just a day earlier, Ukrainian drones reportedly struck a storage site in Russia's Tatarstan Republic, a facility believed to house Shahed-type drones and imported components. The attack there involved an estimated 300-kilometer flight from Ukrainian-controlled territory. Strikes on Russian oil facilities serve multiple purposes. They disrupt fuel supplies for military operations, create economic pressure by damaging export capacity, and undermine Russia's domestic perception of security. Saratov is a significant industrial hub, and damage to its refining capabilities could ripple across Russia's internal fuel network. So far, Ukrainian officials have not commented on the Saratov strike, in line with Kiev's policy of strategic ambiguity regarding operations inside Russia. Moscow, meanwhile, has acknowledged damage but is downplaying the broader impact. These attacks are happening against the backdrop of tense diplomatic maneuvering, including US-brokered talks in Alaska between Trump and Putin. Some analysts warn that strikes this deep inside Russia could complicate negotiations, while others argue they're vital leverage for Ukraine. The Saratov refinery strike is just the latest in a growing wave of Ukrainian long-range drone operations. Whether these attacks will significantly hinder Russia's war effort or provoke an even stronger response remains to be seen. What's your take? Are these deep strikes into Russian territory a necessary tactic or a dangerous gamble? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more frontline updates.